Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Down 2.5, picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Take shadow. 4 forward, drift into the right a little. 20, down a half. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been nice having you on board today. As the captain has mentioned,